welcome to GPAT Gyan. So as you already know that GPAT Gyan is a premier online learning system dedicated to empowering pharmacy aspirants around India, founded and led by a team of top ranked educators from Jadavpur University and NIPER Mohali, all holding impressive All India ranks, and we specialize in comprehensive coaching for GPAT, NIPER JEE, CUET PG and all other entrances based on pharmaceutical technological courses. Our mission is to bridge the gap between academic learning and competitive excellence by combining high quality recorded libraries with daily live sessions and one-to-one mentorship. We ensure that no student's doubt goes unanswered. At GPAT Can, we don't just teach subjects, we build the conceptual foundation and confidence required to secure top all India ranks. For the 2026-2027 academic session, GPAT Gan has structures its offerings into two primary tracks designated for long-term preparation. These courses are particularly popular for their trilingual teaching approach, which uses English, Hindi, Bengali to help students from different regions to grasp complex pharmaceutical concepts more effectively. Available GPAT Gan courses 2026-27 course featuring 1 year comprehensive course of 12 months containing the premium online coaching including weekly 7 live classes, e-notes and one-to-one mentorship, and 2 years extended course of 24 months designated for early starters with priority doubt resolution and extended access to the lecture library, and the recorded course having access over 250 plus video lecture covering the entire syllabus and 50 plus mock test. Our new batches will be exclusively focused on expert educators who are themselves high rankers in the previous GPAT or NIPER exams. Full syllabus coverage is updated to align to the latest BPharm course regulation 2024, ensuring all 125 questions across all the allied subjects of pharmaceutics, pharmacology, chemistry and the pharmacognosy are covered. We are having vast study materials access to an exclusive library of 250 plus recorded videos for concept revision and a class management system for tracking progress. Mock test sessions are also available throughout the courses containing topic-wise test, subject-specific test, full-length mock test, BYQ test along with the doubt clearing sessions, and most importantly the exclusive lecture library for the concept revision, admission guidance, e-notes, mock test and everything for which you can choose us for your preparation strategies. The orientation class will start on 16th April 2026 and the 1 year course is of 2549 only and 2 year course is of 3749 only. For more information, contact in the provided WhatsApp number or you can check our website also. Thank you.